Just sent our zone signal out for MRK. We were looking to buy MRK at 85.08, and the bottom of that zone is 84.53. Your stop will be 83.70. 83.70. So MRK is just kind of hanging out right now. But we'll see. We'll continue to watch it and see how markets are moving. So going back to the Trend Disciple list, we are looking to buy. No, not looking to buy. Trend Disciple list. I'm sorry, guys. RNG at the top of the list. They're up $11 this morning. Nvidia, you guys were already talking about Nvidia this morning. They are up $4. AYX, that's another name, up $3. RH up $2, and then Roku, it's up almost $2 this morning. To the downside, which there are more, of course, more stocks to the downside that are losers this morning. Leading the way, Amazon